In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find deleted mail on Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open Gmail in my browser. Just head over to Gmail the way you normally would and wait for the page to load. Once everything finishes loading, you'll see your inbox on the screen with your emails listed in the middle and the navigation menu along the left side. Now that Gmail is open, I'm going to make sure I'm in the mail section, so I'm looking directly at my inbox. This is the main area where all your incoming messages appear. From here we're going to move over to the left sidebar where Gmail keeps all the different folders and categories. If you look down that sidebar, you'll see common folders like Inbox, Starred, Sent and Drafts. Sometimes the folder we're looking for isn't visible right away because Gmail hides some folders to keep the list shorter. So what I'm going to do is scroll down a little bit until I see the option labelled More. Once I find More, I'm going to click on it. As soon as I click More, Gmail expands the sidebar and reveals additional folders that were hidden before. You'll see a few more options appear in the list, and one of those folders is Trash. Now that the extra folders are visible, I'm going to look for Trash in the list. Once I see the Trash folder, I'll go ahead and click on it. When I click Trash, Gmail switches the view from the inbox to the Trash folder where deleted emails are stored. At this point the screen updates and now I'm looking at the Trash section. Inside this folder, Gmail shows all the emails that have been deleted from the inbox. These messages stay here temporarily before they are permanently removed, which means this is the place you can check if you accidentally deleted something. So right here in the Trash folder, you'll now see all your deleted emails listed in the same way the emails appear in the inbox. You can scroll through them just like any other folder, and the messages will appear with their subject lines, senders, and timestamps. If you're trying to locate a specific deleted message, this is the section where you'll find it. The important thing is that Gmail keeps deleted emails here for a period of time, which means they remain accessible until they're automatically cleared out. And that's really all there is to it. We opened Gmail, went to the mail section, scrolled down the left sidebar, clicked More to expand the folder list, and then selected Trash. Once the Trash folder opens, you can immediately see all the emails that have been deleted. From here you can browse through the list and review any messages that were previously removed from your inbox. Everything that has been deleted recently will appear in this folder, making it easy to check if something was removed by mistake. So anytime you need to find deleted mail in Gmail, just follow the same path. Open Gmail, go to Mail, expand the sidebar by clicking More, and then open the Trash folder. Once you're there, you'll see all your deleted emails in one place.